Hey guys, it's your girl Madison Sky Makeup coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. Thank you guys for joining me today. This is the look. Yep, this is the look that we are going to create today. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions below. But if you are looking for more details on how this look was achieved, definitely stay tuned. I'm going to use the NYX Brow Gel to go ahead and fill these baked in. Okay guys, so I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette and just going to play with some of the oranges and the brown, probably edges, and a little bit of credit in the crease. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Revlon Photoready Cream Eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with my Volume 3D lashes. So I blended the face all the way out. Now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Ever Matte setting powder and just press that into the skin. Right up under the eyes. Before doing that, you wanna make sure that you do not have any creases up under the eyes. You don't wanna set a crease. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna go in with a couple translucent powders that I have mixed together, and I'm gonna set under the eyes a little bit more and down the jawline and the T-zone. While we let that sit, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze with my Morphe Glamabronze in the color Leader. Take a little bit of that bronzer and go down the sides of the nose. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and smudge up under the eye with that dark brown from the Jackie Aina palette Credit. right, so that powder has been sitting on the face long enough. We're gonna go ahead and clear that off. Hey guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed spending time with you guys today. Let me know in the comments below if you would try this look out. It's definitely not your everyday look, maybe something a little more glam when you're ready to step out. But either way, I think it's a nice look. It came out exactly the way that I planned. Let me know if you have products that you can try this look. If you try this look, tag me in it. Let me see what it is and how it turned out. I'd love to hear your thoughts and see your shares. And if you have any ideas of what you'd like to see next, definitely be sure to let me know and I will bring it to you in the next video. Until next time, bye.